In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Word to PDF in WPS Office 2026 step by step. Converting a Word document to a PDF is a great way to lock in your formatting and share a file that looks the same on any device. We'll walk through the entire process in WPS Office so you can confidently export clean, professional PDFs every time. Start by opening the Word document you want to convert in WPS Writer. Take a quick look through the pages to make sure everything appears the way you want. Headings, images, tables, and page breaks. If the document uses custom fonts, confirm they're installed on your device so the layout doesn't shift during conversion. This quick check helps ensure your final PDF matches what you see on screen. Next, open the main menu. Depending on your device and version, this might be labeled Tools, Menu, or File. On desktop, you'll typically find it at the top left of the window. On mobile, look for an icon with 3 lines or 3 dots near the top. The exact label can vary, but they all lead to the same conversion options. Within that menu, choose Export to PDF or Save as PDF. These options perform the same core task. They create a PDF copy of your current document. If you see both, export to PDF is usually the most direct path. You don't need to change your document content here. You're simply selecting the PDF format. Now choose where you want to save the PDF. Pick a folder that's easy to remember, such as Documents or Desktop on a computer, or a clearly named folder on mobile. If you use cloud storage connected to WPS, you can select that location as well, so the file is available across devices. Before finalizing, rename the file if needed. Clear descriptive names make it easier to find later. Consider including a project title or date so it's instantly recognizable. Keep the name short and straightforward. When you're ready, start the conversion by selecting Export, Convert, or Save. WPS Office will begin creating the PDF. For larger files with many images or pages, give it a moment to process. Avoid closing the app or switching away until the export completes. Once it's done, open the saved PDF to review your converted document. Flip through a few pages, zoom in on images or small text, and check that spacing, fonts, and links look correct. If something seems off, return to the Word document, make your edits, and repeat the export. With these steps, you'll have a reliable PDF ready to share or archive.